birds is same. Okay. Let us discuss about the structure of bird. Okay. Let us discuss about structure of bird. What is the structure of bird? Structure of basic structure of all the birds is same only. Okay. Basic structure of all the birds is same. Today we are going to discuss the structure of birds. Structure of bird. Okay. The body of a bird consists of head, beak, wings, feathers, legs, feet and tail. Children, all of you open your book, turn on the page number 137. 137, page number 137. Okay. In this page, one image is given here. Okay. Okay. The body of a bird consists of so many parts. Which are these? It contains a beak. It is a beak part. Then it is the eye part. It's a head part. It's wings. Then these feathers. This is the body of a bird. It is a claws. This one is the tail. So bird containing so many bodies. Okay. It consists of a beak, eye, head, wings, feathers, body, claws, tail. So bird containing so many parts. It consists of so many parts. The body of bird consists of a head, beak, wings, feather, legs, beak and tail. Okay. Light body. Let us discuss about the body of a bird. Light body. First one is light body. Light body. Bird consists of so many parts. Let us discuss about light body. Birds have a light and boat-shaped or streamlined body. Birds have a light body. They have a light body. Birds have a light body. Light body. They have a light body. Birds have a light body. Okay. It's a bird's body. It's a bird's body. It has a light body. Okay. Birds have a light body and boat-shaped or streamlined body. Its body shape is boat-shaped. Have you all seen a boat? Okay. What is the shape of bird? Like that. Okay. It's a shape of bird. Okay. It is a body shape of birds. They have a light body and they have a boat-shaped or streamlined bodies. Streamlined bodies. They have a boat-shaped or streamlined bodies. Which is the shape of the bird? They have a boat-shaped or streamlined bodies. They have a boat-shaped or streamlined bodies. Bird's body is like a boat shape. Okay. They have a boat shape or streamlined bodies. Okay. Streamlined body. Okay. Bird's body have a light weight. Okay. They have a light body. This body structure is streamlined or boat shaped. This body structure is streamlined and boat shaped. Okay. It is look like a boat shaped or streamlined structure, which is made up of a strong framework of bones. The bird's body is made up of bones. Bird's body is made up of bones. Made up of bones. Okay. Bird's body is a light and a boat or streamlined shape. Its shape is like a boat shaped or streamlined shape. This body is made up of bones. Okay. bird's body is made up of bones. Bird it have a light body. Its shape is boat shaped or streamlined shape. Okay, and this body is made up of bones. This body is made up of bones. These bones are hollow and light in weight. These bones are hollow. What is the meaning of hollow? Hollow means empty space inside. Hollow means empty space inside. Once again, I show you how hollow shape is. It's a hollow shape structure. Okay, empty in inside. Empty in inside. It is a hollow shape. Empty in inside. Is there anything inside? No, no. It is called a hollow shape. Okay. These bones are hollow and light in weights. Weights. These bones are hollow. These bones are hollow shaped. Bones are hollow. Hollow means there is empty inside. These bones are hollow. Hollow. And lightweight. Light in weight. Light in weight. Is it clear? Light in weight. This helps the birds to fly easily in the air. It makes the birds to fly easily in the air. Okay. What is the shape of the bird? Okay. Let us discuss about the body of the bird. Okay. Light body. Bird have a light body. Birds have a light body. This is the body of a bird. This bird has a light body. This bird have a light body. Okay. This bird, what is the structure of bird's body? It has a boat shape or streamlined body structure. This body have a boat or streamlined body structure. Okay. This bird's body made up of bones. Made up of bones. Okay. These bones are hollow. These bones are hollow. Hollow means empty inside. Okay. This hollow bones makes a bird's body lightweight. Okay. So this hollow bones make a bird's body light in weight. Okay. For this, birds fly easily in a air. Okay. With the help of this hollow bones, birds fly easily in a air. Is it clear about the bird's body? All birds have a similar basic structure. Okay. Bird's body. Okay. Their body is very light. They have a light bodies. Okay. This is a bird's body. It is a light body. Okay. This bird's body have a light body. This body is streamlined or boat-shaped structure. Okay. This body made up of bones. This body made up of bones. These bones are hollow. These bones are hollow. Hollow means empty inside. Okay. It makes bird's body light. Okay. It makes bird's body light in weight. Okay. For this purpose, birds fly in air. Okay. I give an example. So it is a bottle. It is empty bottle ಜಾಸ್ತಿ weight ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದ bottle ಜಾಸ್ತಿ weight ಇರುತ್ತೋ empty bottle ಕಡಿಮೆ weight ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ. So inside empty. This bottle is inside empty. So it is a hollow shaped structure. So this body, this bottle, even ಈ bottle ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ light weight ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ. So in bones of a bird hollow shaped structure. So this hollow makes body light in weight. For this purpose, birds fly easily in air. Is it clear? Is it clear about the bird's body? Okay. Light body. Birds have a light and boat-shaped or streamlined body, which is made up of a strong framework of a bones. Birds have a light body. ಇವುಗಳ ಬಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲೈಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ boat. Okay, boat shaped or streamlined. Bird's body shape is boat shaped or streamlined structure. Okay. This body is made up of bones. They have yadrinda ಮಾಡಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ bones ಇಂದ. This body is made up of bones. These bones are hollow. Hollow means they empty inside. Okay. This hollow bones made a bird's body very light in weight. Okay. For this purpose, birds fly easily in the air. Okay. Take down these words in your book. Okay. Hollow bones makes birds fly easily in the air. Okay, it makes birds fly easily in the air. In the air. Okay. Okay, next part is beak. Next one is a beak part. This is the beak of the bird. Okay, this part is called a beak. This one is a beak part. This is a beak. Okay, let us discuss about beak. Next one is beak. This part is called a beak of the bird. This is a beak part. Shaded part is a beak part of the bird. Okay. Beak. Different birds have a different type of beaks according to their food habits. Okay, this is the beak part of the bird. Different birds have a different type of beaks. Okay, beak shape is not same in all the birds. Okay, it is different for each bird. Okay, some birds have a long beak, some birds have a small beak, like that. So beak is a part of every bird, but its shape is different from each other. Okay, different shape. Beak is a part of birds. Different birds have a different type of beaks. Different birds have a different type of beaks. Different type of beaks. Okay. Beak is a basic part. Okay. All birds have a beak. It is a beak structure. All birds have a beak. Okay. But its size and shape is different for different birds. Okay. One type of bird have a long beak. Another type of have a small beak. Okay. It is different. Birds have a different type of beaks. Okay, is it clear? It depends upon the food habits of birds. Okay, beak size and shape is depend upon the food habit of birds. Okay, food habit of birds. According to their food habit, they have a different size and shape of the bird. Okay, according to their food habit. According to their food habit. Okay, beak. Different birds have a different type of beaks. Different birds have a different type of beaks. Okay, all birds do not have a same beaks. Okay, it is different for different birds. The beak of the birds is different for different birds. Some beaks have a big beak. Some birds have a small beak. Okay, like that. Different birds have a different type of beaks. Okay. Why they all have a different type of beaks? Because it depends upon their food habits. According to their food habits, birds have their beak. Okay, birds develop their beak based on their food habit. Okay. beak. Different birds have a different type of beak according to their food habit. Okay, why it is different? Because according to their food habit, they developed according to their food habit. Okay, take down it in your book. Beak. Now here, beak is the big part of the bird. Okay, this is the big part of the bird. Different birds have a different type of beaks according to their food habit. Based on their food habit, birds have a different beak. Okay. Okay. Next one is wings. Next one is wings. Next part is wings. Birds have a pair of strong wings. The wings have a long feathers attached to them. These wings help the birds to fly. Okay. This part. These are the wings of the bird. Okay. Shaded part. This shaded part is called the wings of the bird. Okay. These are wings of the bird. This part is called the wings of the bird. Okay. Birds have a pair of strong wings. They have a pair of strong wings. Okay. Birds have a two wings. Birds have a pair of wings. Okay. They have a pair of wings. Birds have a pair of wings. The wings have a long feathers. These wings have a long feathers. Okay, these are the feathers of birds. Okay, these wings have a long feathers. Wings consist of feathers. Okay, these feathers attached to that wings. Long feathers are attached to them. These wings help the birds to fly. Okay, wings. In birds, pair of wings are there. Okay. These wings consist of feathers. Feathers are attached to that wings. Okay. Feathers are attached to the wings. Feathers are attached to the wings. Attached to the wings. Okay. These are the feathers of the birds. These feathers are attached to the wings. These feathers are attached to the wings. Then these wings help the birds fly. Okay. These wings help to birds fly. Okay. Wings help the birds fly. These wings helps to birds fly. Okay. These are the wings. Okay. These are the wings. Birds have a pair of wings. Birds have a pair of wings. Feathers attached to that wings. Okay. These feathers are attached to the wings. What is the function of wings? Wings help to the birds fly. Wings help to the birds fly. Is it clear about the wings? Okay. Then take down it in your book. Okay. What we learned today? We learned about the body of the bird and beak and wings. Okay. These are the parts of the bird. We learned body of the bird and beak of the bird. Beak is the part of the bird. And also we learned wings. Okay. Body. The shape of the bird is streamlined or boat-shaped body. Okay. This body made up of a hollow bones. Okay. This bird's body is made up of a hollow bones. Okay. With the help of these hollow easily in the air. Is it clear about a bird's body? Okay. This hollow bones makes bird's body light in weight. With the help of these bones, they easily fly in the air. Is it clear? Then this bird have a beak. Okay. Different birds have different type of beaks because it depends upon the food habit of birds. Okay. According to their food habit, they have a different type of beaks. Is it clear? Then wings. Birds have a pair of wings. Okay. But feathers are attached to that wings only. Okay. Feathers are attached to the wings. Okay. These wings help us to birds fly. Okay. What is the function of wings? Wings help to the birds fly. Is it clear? Okay. Now I stop the video here only. Tomorrow we will continue about the feathers. Okay. Thank you.